Are you looking for the best camera bag? In this video we will look at some of the best camera bag on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Lowepro Slingshot SL250AW3 Camera Backpack. Our favorite sling camera bags are comfortable, over-the-shoulder models for small camera kits and daily use. The Lowepro Slingshot SL250AW3 is the best compact sling bag we tested, with its padded shoulder sling and back, waist strap for better weight distribution of the bag, and separate compartments for camera gear and personal items or accessories. A side zipper accesses its camera gear compartment and can fit a DSLR or mirrorless camera with an attached lens plus 2 to 3 more small lenses. The upper compartment can fit more camera gear or is a great place to stuff a light jacket, snacks, a memory card wallet, and some batteries to last the day. We love this bag for day hikes or biking around the city as it is compact and comfortable. Despite the high-quality, water-resistant fabric, this bag did not pass our drench test entirely. The zippers are exposed, leaving these particular areas vulnerable to seepage. However, it comes with a waterproof cover that makes us feel more confident walking around in a rainstorm. Number 2. WANDRD PRVKE Backpack. The PRVKE has been updated since our test period. WANDRD states the updates include improvements to the comfort of the straps and back panel, as well as updated pockets and closure systems. There is also a new luggage pass-through strap so you can attach it to your suitcase handle at the airport. We're now linking to the updated version of the PRVKE. The WANDRD PRVKE backpack is our favorite traveling pack, thanks to its awesome features. We love the removable camera cube. You can use the whole bag as a checked bag, carry the camera cube as your personal item, and once you get to your destination, pop the camera cube back in and use this as your day bag as well. Another feature we love is the easy access to your camera through the side pocket or the additional access through the back of the bag if you need to get to your entire kit. That back access keeps dirt, moisture, and grime on the durable tarpaulin material and off the back of the bag and your back. Another thoughtful feature is the passport pocket on the back panel, which keeps your passport safely resting against the small of your back. When it comes to pockets, this bag does provide some organization opportunities, but if you tend to be hyper-organized, its accoutrements may not be enough for you. This pack easily carried a camera body and 3 pro-sized lenses. Along with that camera kit, it held a 16-inch MacBook Pro, tablet, and plenty of accessories. We think this bag is worth the price and will stand up to the job for multiple years to come. Number 3. Caden DSLR/SLR Camera Backpack. In terms of high capacity, it's hard to beat the Caden DSLR/SLR camera backpack, especially for the price. As far as camera dedicated space, this bag wins among the bags we tested, holding all the photographic equipment our testers needed for a normal day of shooting with some room to spare. It can easily accommodate a 13-inch laptop, 2 water bottles, and a tripod as well. All this makes it the highest capacity for the price that we tested. The comfort and construction of this bag are not quite on par with the high capacity. When fully packed with a travel tripod, this bag bulges and immediately feels awkward on your back. It is not long before that awkward feeling fades to simple discomfort, so we do not recommend hauling it around for prolonged periods. Another drawback is its weakness in inclement weather. In our rain stress testing, this bag soaked through completely. It also lacks organization pockets for smaller items. If you're seeking a camera bag that will live on your back, this isn't the best option for you. But if you're shopping for a bag capable of carrying many items and will protect your camera on your drive or in storage, then look no further. Number 4. MOSISO Camera Backpack. MOSISO Camera Backpack is professionally designed for DSLR/SLR/mirrorless cameras of different brands. Compatible with Nikon D5600, D5300, D3500, D3400, D3300, D3200, compatible with Canon EOS Rebel T6, T6i, SL2 and other standard-sized DSLRs. Also designed to be compatible with DJI Mavic drone. Padded removable modular inserts in the upper one, 16.54 by 11.42 by 5.5 inch, is customized dividers for different cameras, flashes, lens and drones. You can organize the inner padded to adjust the inner storage space according to your needs. Back trolley belt makes it convenient during the trip. Padded shoulder strap varied from 17.72 to maximum 39.4 inch can be adjusted per personal preference. One durable handle is also designed to meet different demand. Number 5. Caden D6 Camera Backpack. Caden D6 Camera Backpack dimensions 11*5.9 15 inches / 28 14.9 38 cm, weight 0.79 kilograms per 1.74 pounds. This professional photography camera backpack fits for men/women photographers, lightweight and easy to carry. Caden D6 camera bag fits 1 camera bodies plus 4 lens plus flash plus iPad plus tripod place plus other accessories. Or for DJI drone storage. Scratch and waterproof material protects your camera from damage. Hidden zipper design of the front pocket, best for your daily accessories storage. High elasticity mesh bag on one side for your bottle/umbrella storage. The other side of the camera bag is tripod or trekking pole place. Convenient handle multi-carrying way. Lengthened shoulder belts are made of high elasticity decompression memory foam. Very good design for Americans. Caden alloy zipper won't rusty within 3 years and won't break within 5 years. One side for iPad storage with sticker fixed inside the camera bag. Inner bag paddings are made of 7-layer P foam and PP board, while protect your camera from shocking. Very durable. Shoulder belts and handle that connected with camera rucksack have taken Bartak reinforcement technology which load bearing up to 50 kg, 110.2 pounds. Best care for your cameras, lens, flashes, tripod and other accessories.